So hey guys, uh, okay. So today I will talk about some things that developers should know, and this is all my perspective that when you are learning some technology, these are also the things that you should know. Uh, because so I listed out some five topics. I listed out five topics that I think are important, and let's discuss that. So I will first talk about the Git, and when I say Git, uh, Git and GitHub is not same. Uh, GitHub is built on Git. That's the thing. I think you might know these things. And Git is built by the Linus Torvald. That is not the point of conversation right now. But yeah, so Git is very important as you're building some projects and everything, and you're working in organization. So these how you will gonna how exactly you're gonna work in that project, right? Like you need to commit a code and everything. You should know how exactly what pull request is, how what are the things that you should be taking care of while working in the project which is using Git, and every project use .git file. So every project is using this Git, and if you are not comfortable in that, you might break some code. They will not accept your code first of all because they know you are breaking something. And first thing you need to understand is go ahead and we have also created a video on how to exactly contribute or how exactly to use the GitHub. So you might wanna go and like check, because GitHub is not your GitHub. You didn't need to scare of GitHub because GitHub is your friend, and it makes our project to it's make us easy to work on project. So think it in that way, that will make so many things simple. That's what I think. And yeah, GitHub is easy if just use that thing. And if you are not comfortable, get comfortable. That's what I can say. So another thing I want to talk about is APIs, servers, and HTTP requests. I think if you are a front-end guy or back-end guy, you should know how exactly HTTPS request works, how exactly API works, because even if you are not working in that uh, part, like you are not doing routing and everything, you are just a front-end developer, but you should have an idea like how exactly request works when you're sending some request to backend, or what exactly happening there. Okay, so this is the very important thing which I think is backend developer should know. That's the thing. No, see, there are two type of developer, like developer in also front end. There is a front of a front end developer, and another is a back of a back end front end developer. So front of a front end and back of a front end. So what front of a front end developer do is he just uh, he just copy, or what we can say, he create the things which UI UX developer designed. Okay, so he make that thing, all visual things, UI thing. That's what he do. But when we need to send the data from front end to back end, what exactly things happen, like when you are, let's take a React as example. So when you are developing some application in React, so all the UI stuff is done by the front of a front end developer, and all the requests and routing and working with hooks and doing things with data, playing with data, serving data to the backend and accepting the request from backend, and everything will is done by the back of a front end developer. So yeah, he should know what exactly these things are, and he knows. But yeah, so two things I did. First is a GitHub, second is a API. Third thing I think is containerization, Docker. I think we should know how exactly Docker what are the Docker. These are the trendy thing these days. People are using Docker. They are Dockerizing their application. See, having a Docker, having the knowledge of Docker is itself a good thing as a developer. So this is not the compulsory thing to know at the early stage, but yes, knowing these stuff makes you a more, you can understand things from core, like how exactly things happen there and everything. So this is what I think is the skill, and you might go. There are lots of videos on that also, so you can watch there. And another thing I want to talk about is yeah, data structure. And when I'm saying data structure, I mean data structure, not competitive coding. So I also not did the competitive coding, so I don't have much idea about competitive coding. But what I think is data structure is important even if you are not doing competitive coding, because uh, these are the basic things a developer should know. And so yeah, it is important. Data structure and algorithms are the like it's not like you should go and solve 100 and 200 problems on 500 problems on code shift. I'm not saying that, and you should if you want to, but what I mean to say, knowing data structure is you know how exactly core computer science works. So basic knowledge of that is important, and we can't skip that. So that's what I think. And after that, fifth skill which I want to talk about is googling. And when I say googling, it might sound so lame to talk about, like you should know how to google, but yes, you should know how to google this stuff. And when I'm saying, like, let's ask yourself a question, like if you want to search something, what do you do exactly? You go like how to use state in React. Is that what you do? Then you might not get a good result there. I'm just like, why I'm like saying this, like when you add a lot of words with the keywords, like if when you want some specific information with the specific results, and you need to get that from internet, so you should be inputting that. Like when I need to use some data, so I don't use how to and everything, because when you use specific keyword you get good result. And you should keep in mind that what might be the words that the blog or the answer or the solution may have. You just need to add, and that keyword should filter out exact result or near to exact result. Like you should be close to that result. That what keyword you need to use while googling. And this may sound like this is what you're telling people know how to google, but when you are searching for some question and you want the answer, like you are searching from Stack Overflow, you don't get it, but there is somewhere that answer is hiding there and you want that and you don't get that. That's when you understand this importance of the scale, and it's very important. So that's it. That are my five skills I think that developer should know, specifically junior, because senior developer are familiar with this thing, and intern and developer. That's what my focus was on. But yeah, so let me know what you think and what your thoughts on this. Like, do you have any discussion to continue on the point which I talked on? So you can comment. We may discuss there. And thanks for watching the video. Bye. I should stop the OBS also.
Fucking on some poppin' pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always been smoking like a rock star.